Today we're going to be making this sign with inlaid text. And the inlay is where we engrave a pocket, and then we're going to route out the text so the text fits nicely in that pocket. We're using a 1 flute 60 thousandths end mill. And now we just want to check and make sure this is protruding past the bottom here so we can engrave our surface.
Drop.
This is going to go engrave those pockets for us. We have it set up in the software where it's going to be engraving 40 thousandths deep, so it gives us a 40 thousandths pocket. So our pockets are cut out, and now all we have to do is cut out the text. We're set up with the material to route out the letters. Now all we have to do is send over the job.
Drop.
Okay, now that we're done routing out the letters, I can loosen up these push-down clamps. And then we take each piece off here. All those are cut out, so we just clean up the pieces.
Drop.
I'm going to go ahead and place each one inside each pocket. We just set those in there and they just fit nicely inside that pocket. And there you go, that's an inlay.